Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and show battery percentage on a MacBook. So the first thing that you need to do is go and open your MacBook. So open it in front of you, and of course this is what you'll have in front of you. So when you open it, you need to go to your settings. So now the settings you can go by finding the gear icon on your PC, or you can just click F4, and then here we have the spotlight, as you can see, where you can of course spotlight search, where you can just type in settings and click on system settings to enter that part of the of course your MacBook. Now here on the left side of the screen, as you can see, here we have a lot of different options. The option that you need is the battery option. So we have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth network, and then we have battery. Now here, as you can see, we have the low power mode, battery health, charging, everything is here. We have some options here, so a lot of things here. Now to go and show the battery, of course, percentage and battery health, you can of course go here. Mine is charged at the moment, and you can see the charge capacity. You can go to battery health, click on here, and see here the maximum capacity is 100, and it's here 100 for me, as I am at the moment charging it. So as you can see, if I go and click on put my charger off, it will not have the charging anymore, but when I put it in back, it will have the charging, and you'll have it as 100%, as you can see. And that's all that you need. Here you have the low power mode if you also need it. So that's how you can actually go and do it. So at the moment it is fully charged, but I can see it here when it's not fully charged. Here it will say 98, 50, how much ever percent there is. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.